Okay, so I'm having some bed covers that needs to be washed, but this one is not that bad. It just needs a short wash. So putting it in and then going to the, refreshening. Oh, this is it. Powering on the machine. 17 minutes. Well, right here I like to use the liquid because it doesn't make that big suds, and this is a sudsy cover, so maybe a cup. I don't know how much does it says. Yeah, this goes in. Okay, good. Now I don't know if I can select an extra rinse. I can select just the spin speed up to 1200. Okay, so yeah, let me put the phone on the stand and turn the video again. Okay, so start. Okay, so after it tumbles 2 to 3 times, I will just stop the video and come back when it's at the interspin. So it started tumble. And why the hell? It tumbles very slowly. I don't know why. This was tumbling normally. Why machine? Why are you tumbling so slowly? Please tell me. Anyway. Why are you tumbling so slowly? Oh, now you've stopped. No, really. Come on, Beko, you can do better than this. This is still not normal. I don't know. Still not fast enough. You could hear that squeak sound, couldn't you? Oh no, I think the belt is gonna rip off. I don't know what problems happened from when I got home and filmed the Merloni, but I don't know what problems this machine has now. I couldn't got an eye on it. Beko. Beko, are you broken? Yeah, I'll just stop the video and come back. So it just started to drain. I think this will be very, very hard to balance for the machine. Not impossible, but very, very hard. Yeah, I think the machine will do an interspin. Now it tries to balance. Beko, you're not able to balance. I don't think you're able to balance. Or is she able to balance? I think so. Anyway, I can't wait for the new machine to come. I can't wait for that. We're gonna have a new machine. I'm not gonna even spell the brand. I'm not gonna even spell anything until I have it. I'll post a review, an unboxing of a machine that I bought recently, but that's not an automatic washer, so a stud lock, please. Become a stud lock, please. Oh, good. Ooh, interesting. Uh, oh no, really? You think you can joke on me? Okay, resetting. Okay, it's resetted. I resetted the phone sensor. You just do this and it automatically resets. I'll pause the video and come back when the machine actually spins. Wow, this is kind of unbalanced. Beko, I thought you would balance this. What's happening? No. No, I don't want you to do a sod lock. You can hear that. That's water inside of her. First rinse. What happened, Beko? Beko! Okay. What? Wait, what? Literally, it didn't take water. You can see the same suds. Beko, you can see this kinda white. This is kinda white because of the suds of the foam. Here from the sub lock. What the hell, Beko? What the hell? Beko, are you broken? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Of course. You dumb machine! You're literally the dumbest machine I ever saw. Even Ardo is better than you. And she's mechanical. She can do the things you can do. But still, she's better. She doesn't skip rinses like you do. No. So this machine basically has a broken PCB from what I can say. Hopefully my machine will be repaired. Hopefully it will self-repair or do anything. Because I'm not gonna buy another machine from Beko. I'll buy a Hot Point Ariston because Ariston the same thing with the Merloni. Oh no, really? Really? Oh no, something. I will just pause the video. Again! Beko, can you please balance better? For once? For once, only once. I want to see a balanced load from you. And I didn't put a softener, so enjoy your sudsy last spin. Enjoy your sod lock. And I thought this liquid detergent wouldn't do suds. Well, I was wrong. Any detergent can make suds. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't you dare to leak from. So yeah, for sure the machine was trying to get the water out through the detergent drawer. So yeah, what a pleasant final spin. Beko. Oh, I just saw that I would need to really try this cycle. Or no, I should re-rinse and respin the cover before I dry it with my beautiful method of a dryer on a washing machine. What a surprise. Oh, Beko. I wish I will never have a Beko appliance. I will never have Beko appliances. I hope. I mean, yeah, you handle very well, but uh, 5 years. I can see why people take, yeah, buys another machines after 5 years. Beko, you're almost 6, but you don't do anything better than an older model. I don't know why I think it would be a very good idea to put softener inside. Beko, you're 3 minutes, but not even 800. You're literally 600. I will try and maybe put some softener. Not very much, just so the suds could go away. Like this. Oh, so now you're doing something. No, really. So yeah, guys, this is a power softener. Your machine flooded your house, use softener. Close damn plastic. Beko, please drain. I'm feeling like I am in the service cycle. But the machine is actually on a cycle, on the refreshing cycle, and is doing these weird stuff. So why, Beko? Why are you torturing me? Why do you think you can torture me? Because if I would want, I could put a 10 liters bottle in you, and it would be game over. But till then, till I would do that, I need another machine to take in case you're breaking. So yeah. Bad machine, Beko. You're a bad machine. Oh, and now you're just slow down. What a surprise. I'm not even surprised about Beko's quality. Beko is equal to Garenia. Literally, having problems with the balancing, having problems with the PCB, getting more time from, I don't know, I was yesterday from a cotton cycle, and from 1 hour and 26 got up to 1 hour and 42 minutes. How do you explain that? 20 minutes! Oh, an empty crease, wow. 2 minutes left for an anti-crease. Yeah, guys, never buy Beko. Never. You don't even do anything on this anti-crease. Why are you still trying to do that? Anyway, I will let the machine do its thing. Beko. For the last time. You're not gonna anti-crease that bed cover. Oh. Well, I was wrong. That's what it seems like. It was wrong. But whatever, why would you need an anti-crease for a bed cover? Oh, you can see there. It's still stuck to the drum, so it wasn't a very good anti-crease, but yeah. So yeah, Beko is faulty again. Never buy Bekos. This PCB has 3 months since it was changed, and nothing good happened. The machine is still broken. So yeah, bye guys, never buy Beko.